Hello and welcome to Infusionsoft. My name is Judy Miller and I'm going to be hosting this short video to introduce you to the Infusionsoft Strategy Guide and also invite you to take a look at the Strategy Guide and install your very first Infusionsoft campaign. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily find the Strategy Guide, choose a campaign to install, and install that first campaign into your Infusionsoft application. Here I am inside of my Infusionsoft application. To get to the Strategy Guide, you're going to hover over the Infusionsoft logo or cornerstone, come to the Marketing section, down to Campaign Builder, and click it one time. Once in the Campaign Builder, on the right-hand side, you'll notice a button that says Go to the Strategy Guide. You'll also notice a button that says Create My Own Campaign. To get to the Strategy Guide, you're just going to click the Go to the Strategy Guide button. That will bring you into the Infusionsoft Strategy Guide. The Strategy Guide is set up to make it easy for you to select your industry. It's also organized with the perfect customer lifecycle in mind. We did all the heavy lifting for you by creating these campaigns that we know work. Now all you need to do is decide what part of the lifecycle you want to begin with and choose the campaign that you'd like to install. So let me walk through and give you an example and show you how easy it is to install a campaign into your Infusionsoft application. I'm a coach consultant. I'm going to click the Coach Consultant industry. As I mentioned before, we have the perfect customer lifecycle in mind. Do you want to collect leads and work at the beginning of your funnel? Do you want to follow up with leads and work on the middle of your funnel? Or do you want to get more repeat business and referrals and work at the end of your funnel? Well, I'd like to follow up with the leads I already have because one thing that we found with Infusionsoft is it's always a quick win to work with the list you already have and re-engage and follow up with those contacts. It's just an idea. Be thinking about that when you're choosing the campaign that you want to install. I'm going to click on I want to follow up better with the leads I have now. When I click on the icon, it's going to bring me into the Convert Leads section of the Perfect Customer Lifecycle. And I get to choose if I want to offer an in-depth assessment, offer a webinar, or an exclusive VIP. Now you can open up each one of these and take a look at them. I would like to offer an in-depth assessment. So I'm just going to click on in-depth assessment. It's going to give me a screenshot of what that campaign looks like and also some more information about what that campaign entails. To install the campaign, simply come down to the bottom right-hand corner, hit the install button, and if you have more than one Infusionsoft application, which some people do, you're going to pick the application you want to install the campaign into. I'm going to install it into my HV202 app. Click on Begin Install, and Infusionsoft will take that campaign with all the goals, all the sequences, all the emails, all the copy, and install it right into your Infusionsoft. Once it's installed, you can click on View Campaign, and your campaign will appear inside of your Infusionsoft application. If the campaign has a tutorial video, this box will appear on the top. You'll be able to watch the tutorial video. You can also chat with an expert by clicking on Get Free Help with an Expert, but this is the campaign that was created for you with all the goals, all the copy, everything that you need, and all you need to do is come in and edit it. So here's the invitation part. We want to invite you to get into the Campaign Builder, open up the Strategy Guide, pick your industry, and find out what part of the Perfect Customer Lifecycle you want to start working on. Choose that campaign and install it into your Infusionsoft application. Just think of how much more value you'll have with your coaching call when your campaign is already chosen and imported into your Infusionsoft application. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I'm excited for you to get inside Infusionsoft, open up that Strategy Guide, and get that first campaign installed. And thank you so much for being an Infusionsoft customer. Bye-bye.